Are you aging gracefully? Welcome to my channel. We are so happy you are here. Today we will delve into how to age gracefully with step-by-step guidance. Understanding skin aging. As we age, our skin undergoes significant changes. Collagen production decreases, leading to loss of elasticity and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Life choices, sun exposure, lifestyle changes, and environmental factors contribute to these visible signs of aging. Understanding these changes is crucial in selecting the most appropriate skincare routines. The skin's ability to retain moisture diminishes with age, making it more prone to dryness and sensitivity. This is why we need a gentler approach to skincare, prioritizing hydration and protection. To ensure our skin ages as gracefully as we can, we need to develop a natural skincare routine. Rich in nourishing ingredients. Developing a natural skincare. The shift towards natural skincare stems from a growing awareness of the harsh chemicals often found in conventional skincare products. These chemicals can be abrasive, stripping the skin of its natural oils and causing long-term damage. Natural ingredients are gentle and harmonize with the skin's biological processes. I use all natural ingredients on my face and body. I find they are much gentler and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals essential for healthy skin. They offer a sustainable and effective way to nurture aging skin, reducing the likelihood of irritation while promoting a radiant, more youthful complexion. Natural ingredients for aging skin. There is a large array of ingredients like aloe vera, which hydrate and soothe. Green tea offers antioxidant properties that combat free radical damage. Vitamin E, molecules produced when your body breaks down food, is another powerhouse aids in skin repair and retention. Vitamin E is a nutrient that's important to vision, reproduction, and the health of your blood, brain, and skin. These ingredients are vital in combating the signs of aging. They work in synergy to replenish lost nutrients, enhance skin elasticity, and provide natural, beautiful glow. Incorporating these elements in 2 daily skincare routines can significantly impact the health and appearance of aging skin. Develop a daily skincare routine for best results. A daily skincare routine is essential in maintaining the health of aging skin. This routine should include daily cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and sun protection. Especially if you live in a hot climate, each step plays a crucial role in nurturing the skin. And when combined with other natural ingredients, the benefits are amplified. Consistency is key in skincare. A daily routine can yield visible improvements over time. Tailoring your skincare routine to individual skin types is also important. As our skin vary from dry to oily or sensitive, a personalized routine can effectively address these unique needs. Advanced techniques. Advanced skincare routines, such as facial massages, masks, can stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and improving skin tone. Herbal treatments can also reduce inflammation and boost hydration. These techniques offer a deeper level of care and can be incorporated daily or as needed. DIY remedies offer a personalized and cost-effective way to enjoy these treatments at home. Lifestyles and diets. Skincare extends beyond topical treatments. It's also influenced by our lifestyle and diet. Hydration is critical for maintaining skin health. A well-aided skin appears plumper and more resilient. A balanced diet rich in nuts, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats provides the nutrients for vibrant skin. Getting adequate sleep, regular exercise, and managing stress plays a significant role in our health. They support overall well-being. A holistic approach encompasses both external and internal care is essential for aging gracefully. Common aging skin concerns. It's important to approach these concerns with patience and realistic expectations. Sometimes natural products takes longer to see results. Some concerns include age spots, dryness, and wrinkles. Some solutions include jojoba and argan oils, which provide intense hydration. I use both the argan oil on my hair and the jojoba oil for massages. Ingredients such as lemon and turmeric can help lighten age spots. For persistent issues, please consult a professional who can provide further guidance. Embracing the aging process. Aging is a natural process, and embracing it can be empowering. It's all about nurturing the skin to honor our journey. It's about choosing the right products and routines that align with our body's changing needs. Celebrating each phase of life with confidence and self-care. Please share this information with friends and family. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.